Hello and welcome back to MoneyMasterMind. Today we are exploring the top 5 mistakes new crypto investors make. Now let's get started. But first, if you enjoy this topic or anything about investing, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get straight into it. In recent years, the world of cryptocurrency has experienced a gain in popularity, capturing the attention of investors worldwide. Driven by the promise of decentralized finance, blockchain technology, and the appeal of massive returns, crypto investing has surpassed niche circles to become a mainstream phenomenon. This rise has seen many new investors flocking to the crypto market, eager to capitalize on its potential for wealth creation and financial freedom. However, among the excitement and optimism surrounding cryptocurrencies, it is crucial for you to be aware of the common pitfalls of the uneducated. While the appeal of quick gains can be enticing, the volatile nature of the crypto market can just as easily lead to substantial losses if approached without caution and due diligence. Understanding these pitfalls is crucial for anyone venturing into the world of crypto investing. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a novice enthusiast, being aware of the challenges and risks inherent in this space can mean the difference between success and failure. That's why in this video, I will be telling you about the top 5 mistakes that new crypto investors often make, providing insights and strategies to help navigate these challenges with greater confidence and resilience. Join me as we explore the importance of research, risk management, and security measures, while also shining a light on the dangers of giving in to FOMO and falling for scams. By understanding and avoiding these common pitfalls, you can position yourself for greater success and longevity in your crypto investment journey. FOMO, or fear of missing out, is a psychological phenomenon that often influences your decision-making processes. It stems from the fear of not capitalizing on an opportunity, especially when witnessing others profiting from it. In the context of crypto investing, FOMO can manifest when investors see a particular cryptocurrency experiencing rapid price appreciation, leading them to fear missing out on potential gains. FOMO can lead to impulsive decision-making, causing you to buy into a cryptocurrency at inflated prices without conducting proper research or considering the long-term viability of the investment. For example, seeing a coin's price skyrocketing may trigger FOMO, prompting you to rush into buying without evaluating the fundamentals or understanding the underlying technology. Overcoming FOMO requires discipline and a rational approach to investing. One effective strategy is to set predefined investment criteria and stick to them, regardless of market hype or short-term price movements. Also, establishing a well-thought-out investment plan with clear goals and risk tolerance levels can help mitigate the influence of FOMO. It's essential to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions, focusing on the fundamentals rather than giving in to emotional impulses. Finally, practicing mindfulness and maintaining a long-term perspective can help you stay grounded and avoid making rash decisions driven by FOMO. By adopting these strategies, you can mitigate the detrimental effects of FOMO and make more informed investment choices in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Thorough research is crucial before diving into the world of cryptocurrency investing. It's not enough to rely solely on market trends or hearsay. Understanding the fundamentals of a cryptocurrency and its underlying technology is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Research provides you with the necessary knowledge to assess the potential risks and rewards of an investment, helping you navigate the volatile crypto market with greater confidence and clarity. Unfortunately, many new investors neglect this critical step, often due to a lack of awareness or impatience to jump into the market. Common research mistakes include failing to understand the technology behind a cryptocurrency, disregarding project fundamentals and team credentials, and relying solely on price predictions or social media hype. Neglecting research can lead to investing in projects with little to no real-world utility or long-term viability, increasing the risk of financial loss. Fortunately, there are numerous resources and tools available to assist you in conducting effective crypto research. Websites such as CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and CoinDesk provide comprehensive data and insights into various cryptocurrencies, including market capitalization, trading volume, and historical price data, Also, white papers and project websites offer detailed information about a cryptocurrency's technology, use cases, and development roadmap. Engaging with online communities and forums like Reddit and Twitter can also provide valuable insights and discussions about specific projects. Leveraging analytical tools and platforms like TradingView and CryptoCompare can aid in technical analysis and market research. By utilizing these resources and tools, you can conduct thorough research and make more informed decisions when navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency investing. The crypto market is known for its extreme volatility, with prices often experiencing rapid and unpredictable changes. While this volatility presents opportunities for profit, it also poses significant risks for investors. Ignoring the volatility of the crypto market can lead to substantial financial losses, especially for those who fail to implement proper risk management strategies. Setting realistic goals and understanding your risk tolerance are essential components of effective risk management in crypto investing. You should establish clear investment objectives, taking into account factors such as investment time horizon, desired returns, and willingness to tolerate market fluctuations. By setting realistic goals and aligning them with your risk tolerance levels, you can better withstand the volatility of the crypto market and avoid making impulsive or emotionally driven investment decisions. Implementing risk management techniques is crucial for mitigating potential losses and preserving capital in the face of market uncertainty. Diversification, for instance, involves spreading investment capital across multiple assets or cryptocurrencies to reduce exposure to any single asset's price movement. Also, setting stop-loss orders, which automatically trigger the sale of a cryptocurrency once its price falls below a fixed threshold, can help limit potential losses during market downturns. Other risk management strategies include position sizing, where you allocate a specific percentage of your portfolio to each investment, and regularly reassessing and adjusting your investment strategy based on changing market conditions. By incorporating these risk management techniques into your investment approach, you can better navigate the volatile nature of the crypto market and safeguard your capital against unforeseen market fluctuations. Crypto exchanges and wallets are prime targets for hackers due to the potential for lucrative financial gain. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies, while offering benefits in terms of privacy and autonomy, also presents unique security challenges. Exchanges are susceptible to hacking attempts, where hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in exchange platforms to gain unauthorized access to your funds. Similarly, wallets, whether online, mobile, desktop, or hardware-based, are vulnerable to security breaches if proper precautions are not taken. New investors often overlook security measures, either due to ignorance or complacency, leaving their crypto assets vulnerable to theft or loss. Common security mistakes include using weak passwords, sharing sensitive information online, storing large amounts of cryptocurrency on exchange platforms, and neglecting to enable basic security features such as two-factor authentication. To mitigate the risks associated with crypto asset security, you should adopt best practices to safeguard your funds. This includes using hardware wallets, which store private keys offline and provide an extra layer of protection against online threats. Also, employing strong, unique passwords for exchange and wallet accounts and refraining from sharing them with anyone enhances security. Enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, typically through a mobile device or authenticator app. Regularly updating software and firmware, avoiding phishing attempts, and conducting due diligence on exchange platforms and wallet providers also contribute to enhancing security measures. By implementing these best practices, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of falling victim to security breaches and protect your crypto assets from unauthorized access or theft. Crypto scams and Ponzi schemes are common in the cryptocurrency space, targeting unsuspecting investors with promises of high returns or exclusive investment opportunities. Warning signs of such scams include unrealistic promises of guaranteed returns, pressure to invest quickly, lack of transparency about the project or company, and reliance on recruitment-based schemes where returns are dependent on recruiting new investors rather than legitimate investment activities. Numerous real-life examples serve as cautionary tales of crypto scams that have defrauded investors of significant amounts of money. One notable example is the BitConnect Ponzi scheme, which promised outsized returns through its lending program but collapsed in 2018 amid allegations of fraud and regulatory inspection, resulting in substantial losses for investors. Other scams include fraudulent initial coin offerings, ICOs, fake exchange platforms, and phishing attacks targeting unsuspecting investors. To avoid falling victim to scams and Ponzi schemes in the crypto space, you should exercise caution and conduct thorough due diligence before investing your funds. Some tips for identifying and avoiding fraudulent schemes include researching the project or company behind the investment opportunity, verifying the legitimacy of team members and advisors, analyzing the terms and conditions of investment offers, and seeking independent financial advice if needed. Also, staying informed about common scams and staying alert of suspicious activities or unwanted investment offers can help you protect yourself from falling prey to fraudulent schemes. Remember, if an investment opportunity seems too good to be true, it most likely is. In summary, new crypto investors often fall prey to common mistakes that can hinder their success in the volatile world of cryptocurrency investing. These include FOMO trading, neglecting research, ignoring risk management, overlooking security measures, and falling for scams and Ponzi schemes. By understanding and addressing these pitfalls, you can better navigate the complexities of the crypto market and make more informed investment decisions. It's essential for you to recognize these mistakes and learn from them as you begin your crypto investment journey. Approaching crypto investing with caution, patience, and a commitment to continuous learning can help mitigate risks and increase the likelihood of long-term success. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research, exercise cautious risk management, and remain alert of fraudulent schemes. Looking ahead, the future of crypto investing holds immense promise, with blockchain technology set to revolutionize various industries and reshape the global financial landscape. However, the evolving regulatory landscape and the expansion of new technologies also bring challenges and uncertainties. This is why continued education and diligence are crucial for you to stay informed about market developments, regulatory changes, and emerging trends. By staying informed of the latest developments and maintaining a disciplined approach to investing, you can position yourself for success in the dynamic and ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching Money Mastermind. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out other content for more crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.